Solutions. I'm here to show you our SKH series of skeleton buckets. These are also known as rock buckets. What you see with this is we've got separated tines here. They're spaced at about 2 3/4 inches. And what it enables me to do is just run it through the ground and pull out all the larger rocks. That's all I'm really concerned about, is when I'm actually finishing off a field here. I'm putting in a play field for my son. That's kind of year-round. We're in the northwest, so we get a lot of rain here, so it's usually flooded and soggy. So what I'm doing is I've tilled it all up. It's drying out right now. We're going to mix a bunch of sand in. But before we start bringing all the sand in, what I want to do is just run through this, pull out all the bigger rocks and the sticks and the twigs and anything else that's kind of caught in here. And what I've also done is I ran my Harley rake and I've created a large pile over to the side here. You'll see that in a moment. And what I'm able to do with this is I'm going to just scoop into that pile. It's really dry and soft right now. I'm going to scoop into that pile. I'm going to pull out all the big rocks out of that as well. And then it enables me to not have to haul the pile around. I can get all the big stuff out, get rid of the rocks, and then redistribute that material back into the field here. So as you can see, I was able to remove a lot of the bigger rocks. I got lots of sticks and twigs. I've got some pipe. I've got a planter's pot. Got all kinds of things that came up out of the ground here. What I have mixed in here a lot is there's a lot of torn up sod, so that made it so it didn't clear as fast. So you saw me kind of jumping it around a little bit. If you have clear dirt with just a bunch of rocks mixed in, the dirt's going to fall right through. The only thing that kind of held me up here was all this hay, straw, and a lot of debris. There's a lot of sticks and things mixed in here as well. So have a look at these on our website. We think you'd really get a lot of use out of them. They're really well made. Uses 3/8 A50 steel throughout. Most of our competitors use A36 or below. They use very, very mild steel. We try to use as heavy a components as we can and still keep the price down for you. Again, it's the SKH. This is the 80-inch model. We have a 60, 66, and a 72 as well. Visit us at skidsteersolutions.com.